Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. As you know, if you are watching my videos regularly on my channel, that from the past few weeks we are covering uh, Business Central Admin Center features, right? I have made a few videos on various aspects of the functionalities which are available in the admin center. And today, again in this video, we will see some more interesting features of the admin center which can be used by the partner, by the global administrator, by the customer's user itself to understand and to get most help out of the box from the business center. Okay, so the first thing is which I want to share in the admin center perspective is this function which is called recently deleted environments, right? So as you can see that I have currently one production environment and one sandbox environment. Okay, and in case I open the card of the environment, here we have multiple options available. And although we like avoid deleting an environment for multiple reasons, and but still, if by mistake, although I should not use the word mistake, because anyway when you click on delete, it's not like that uh, it will directly delete the database, right? It just, first of all, it gives you this prompt. This is the first prompt you will get when you click on the delete button, that you are trying to delete this particular environment which is of type sandbox. And even when you click on yes, so then again it's a second confirmation which business central is taking from the administrator, that you are really want to delete this environment. Okay, but now if you read this statement, what it is saying, that if you delete the environment, it will be put in a soft deleted state and you will be able to recover it before its planned permanent deletion date. Okay, after the permanent deletion of your environment, the recovery won't be allowed anymore and all the environment's data will be lost. So now this is a second confirmation which business central is taking from the administrator. And what we need to do here is that we have to type the name of our environment. And as soon as we type the name, we can click on delete and we are done. But because we have read the paragraph and we now understand that even when we click on the delete button, your environment is not completely deleted, right? It is something like in a soft deleted state. So what is this soft deleted state? Let's see that thing. I'll go to the environment list page, and here if you click on this button called recently deleted environment, so here you will get the list of those environments which you have deleted and they are in the current state of soft deleted, right? You can see that this is one of my environment which I have deleted and it is currently in a soft deleted state. Okay, so what we can do is that we have to click on this to get more information about it, and you can see here that the soft deleted happens on this particular date and time. And now if you see this column here, it is showing me that hard deletion pending on this date, right? Which means that still it is not completely deleted and which you cannot recover. And in case 9 March happens, or if you want to recover your environment after 9th March, you will not be able to do so, right? So this is something a kind of a 14 days of time approximate which currently I'm getting for this particular environment. Okay, and now what we can see here is that if I click on recover, I will be able to do so. You can click on recover, and then as you can see, it is giving me this prompt that this action will recover the environment and all of its data to the point in time when the environment was originally deleted. It will state, it will become active and it will become ready for user connections. Okay, I can click on yes, and thus it will become active in my environment list. But yes, although as I told you that obviously deletion of environment is not a good thing and not available for every user. It's an activity, especially admin center. If you have watched my videos before, admin center is basically not accessible by every user. It's a duty or it's a responsibility of the administrator only. So that's why, in case accidentally or somehow we decided that we want to delete one environment, but later somehow we got into a situation where we really want that environment back. So system is giving us an option to recover the soft deleted environment. Okay, and we can do so, but yes, after a particular time is gone, then you cannot recover that environment and all the data will be lost. Okay, so this is the first option which I wanted to share here. Let's go into the second option. And the second option is that when you open any environment, like although if you are a customer, right, you have purchased the Business Central via some Microsoft partner, okay, and whenever we receive any issues, partners are there with us who help us, who try to guide us on the basis of if we receive the technical issues or any functional issues, right? But somehow if we really want the support from the Microsoft end, so there are two options which are currently available at the environment level, at the admin center level. Okay, so what we have to do is that to get in touch with the Microsoft and to get the support from the Microsoft for my particular environment, what I can do so is that I can click on this support and then I can click on this new support request. So when you click on this, it basically opens up the Power Platform Admin Center. Yes, so it's not something like Business Central Admin Center because you want to log the request, support request for the Business Central, but Power Platform Admin Center is a section where we have this support portal and we can log our request. So what we can do is that you can see here that this button is coming up, new support request. If I click here, the very first thing is that I have to select my product in which I want to log the request. Okay, so as you can see from this list that although I am on the like Power Platform Admin Center, but it is not limited to the Power Platform technologies only, but all the 365 different products are available. Okay, so I will select my product and based on the login, okay, based on the administrator login and access, the environments are currently showing up. Okay, so I will select my production environment and then I can type about or ask Microsoft about my issues. Okay, so I can type here, like let's say I'm getting some issues in in production mom. I can type here production mom. Okay, and then I can select this. So now right now it's not like something that you will directly publish or you will directly log the request with the Microsoft. They will give you some suggestions, okay, based on uh, like the auto, you can say that some bot is working on behind and which will try to use and which will try to give you some answers based on the questions which you are giving here. Okay, so right now I'm selecting problem type as that my problem is limited to this particular section like application, or if you have some issues with regard development, so based on the category you can select your category. And then in the problem subtype, because I have type here production bomb, so it means that my problem is related to manufacturing, and so I will select my second category as manufacturing. Okay, and now I can select my company. If it is not listed, you can type the name as well manually. Okay, right now I can type here go digit. Okay, so now if you want to ask virtual agent about the solutions, you can ask. So it will try to help you based on whatever best possible solutions it can fetch out from the Microsoft catalog, right? And in case I think let me click on again. It's not working. Okay, I'll click again here. I'll select applications and then problem subtype as manufacturing. I think maybe some problem at my end. Anyway, based on, as I told you, that we have to pass all this information, and on the basis of this, we can ask some solutions from the uh, Microsoft bot only. In case you are not satisfied with the listed solutions which will come into this tab, okay, although I'm sorry I'm not able to show you this up at the moment, but in case whatever solutions suggested by the bot are you are not satisfied with, then you can come here in the support section, and then it will ask you your support plans. Okay, so support plans is something that you have to buy the support plan uh, to raise the request or to get the support from the Microsoft. So it's not like that Microsoft support is not free, but let's see this section called Dynamics 365 support plans. Okay, so there are currently three plans are showing up here. One is called standard. It is like what it's saying is that it included with any Dynamics 365 purchase. By the way, the thing is, anyway, I will not be able to show you by logging any support request from the Microsoft because I am running the free account. Okay, so I will not get. I'm not authorized with my IDs to log the request at the Microsoft, right? But when you purchase a license of the Business Central, okay, at that point of time you will automatically tied with this standard support plan. And what it is saying here is that it includes all the Dynamics 365 purchases, and it is best for the businesses operating a simple environment or using a full service partner. Okay, so you will get this information and you will get those credentials which are required to raise the request at the Microsoft end. Okay, so when you when you come into the support section, you will be able to uh, to pass those credentials which you receive because you have purchased the real license. So you have those credentials, you can pass that, and then you can successfully log the request. However, I would like to show you that other two plans are also available which have this cost of 750 for the professional direct. Okay, and it is like best for businesses with continuously operating production environment requiring faster response time, access to experts for advisory and escalation services. Okay, obviously like it's not free, so you have to purchase this separately, and then you will get a dedicated kind of a support from the Microsoft experts. Then we have a unified enterprise, as the name suggests. Like it is now, if you buy this plan, it is not limited to only Dynamics 365 technologies, but it is like all the covering all the Microsoft technologies, and it will cover it's a comprehensive end-to-end support tool for your entire organization. It is not limited to one environment or one company or anything like that. No conditions. Every all the technologies of the Microsoft, you can ask help from Microsoft on that part. One more thing is that if you want to know more about this, definitely I will share this link in my description section. And here you can see as well that they have Microsoft have given us the like they have given the breakups as well, like what the what this plan will is capable to do, so what this plan is capable to do so, and so on. And then if you go into the facts, the most important thing which I wanted to show you up here is that does having a paid support plan replace the partner support? So the answer is no from the Microsoft directly. Okay, it is not like that if you buy these plans now you don't need a partner support. Okay, and every request you will get directly from the Microsoft. It's not like that. It's just a Microsoft paid support plan. It's just an additional resource. Okay, it's just an additional resource. It's not a, like, you cannot consider it as a permanent support. Okay, dedicated support. It's not like that. It's just an additional resource that can be used by both you and your partner, right? uh, like your partner can also use this plan to raise the request at the Microsoft end, because sometimes uh, if the, let's say, issues is related to the base app, okay, then obviously your partner cannot do anything. You cannot touch, you cannot modify the base app. So we have to raise the request to the Microsoft, and then they will decide whether they have to solve it or they don't want to solve it, right? So that's the thing, something from the support side which you will get when you click on this thing. Then the second option is called report production outage. So as the name suggests, it is limited to the production environment only, that if your production environment is not available. Okay, so there are currently two types of outages are available. One thing is that unable to log on, which means users are not able to log in, and you have already performed some standard operations, like you have restarted the environment and still also it is not working. You have removed the user from the sessions and something like that, but every small tricks are not working. Then you can select this one, unable to log on. And when you select this, obviously first of all you have to provide this information. Right now I can pass this sample one. Okay, so now click on next, and now you see that when you select the first type of option, then it the questions which you will see from the Microsoft is like, which browser have you tried? Okay, which companies are you able to log into? What errors are you seeing? Please include any correlation IDs and a date and a time when this outage began. So these are the information, and you can see that it's just a typical text string box where you can type information in paragraphs, in sentences, complete sentences. Okay, so whatever best information you can pass it to the Microsoft, you can pass it. So these are the 3-4 questions which you will get, and then you have to click on report. Okay, then the second thing is, second option on which you can report this production outage is called cannot access API web service. Okay, so now again if I type here this information and then click on next, so now you will see the questions are different because the type is different. Previously the type was related to the login issues, so the questions were different. Now the issues is related to the APIs or to the web services, so the questions are different. Now you have to the first question is that which web service API is not working. So you can provide that information, like whatever web services are not available or not able to work correctly, you can pass that thing. Then the error information and the date and time when you're getting that error, so you can report that in for your production environment only. And then you will get the required support from the Microsoft, right? And you can watch, you can keep a tab on your support request as well. And then you have this manage support contact option available, where you can pass the name, email address of that person who will support, who will manage all the support informations. Okay, with respect to all the environments of the in your business center, like it's not limited to production but your sandboxes as well. However, as I said, this report production outages are limited to your production environment. Okay, so these are the two three things which I wanted to share in today's video about like how well you can uh, raise the request to the Microsoft and for your production environments. And the second thing is that whether we can really recover our environments which we have accidentally deleted, or maybe after deletion of the environment we really want them want those things for some reasons, right? So that's all in the today's video. Maybe in again next week we will try to learn about this capacity management. Okay, so we will see this in detail about how we can how well we can or how effectively we can utilize this capacity information which we are getting in the admin center, and what are the options available in this or in the web client by default out of the box which you will get in the business center uh, to manage your data, to archive your old data, and that's how you can save some space for you, because in cloud every GB counts, right? Like, it has a cost. So we will see this in the next week. So till then, goodbye, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel.